Anyway, I think it's definitely better, way less lumpy. We're gonna get onto this, but right now, enough of this junk. Myles is here. He's got his 1960 Pontiac Strato-Chief here, and we're gonna give it a little detail because he wants to find it a new home, and of course everything's easier when it looks fresh and in keeping with the do all of the things that you wanted to do to the car so that you can sell it. We're going to clean it up and give it a polish. So first thing, just going to give it a quick rinse to get the absolute worst of the shit off. Very nice car. Hope you can see paint is chalky, faded, and there's a little bit of contamination, just tree sap and bugs and shit like that. So we'll give it a little rinse and get to it. There we go. Well, it looks wet now anyway. It's got that wet look.
It's got that. So this is what it'll look like when you're done.
That's right. We just want it to look like this after it's dry. You can see it. It's pretty pinky orange. Yeah. Okay. Well,
it's kind of sad too because on the peaks I noticed there's next to nothing for paint.
Yeah, we'll be very.
Right?
We're not going anywhere near that.
Maybe they tarped it at one time. I don't know what.
Yeah. Well, it's easy to see that would get rubbed off just with anything, even just washing it.
Yeah.
Well, here's our before shot. I think the shot to get is when we've done half the hood and one fender. You'll be thinking, oh, one more thing we should have done.
I'll be amazed to see all the orange come out of the red. Yeah.
Let's see what's involved in getting these off. Yeah, if you look up close, like there's no way of doing a good job polishing around that.
Right.
When you polish this and put those back on, holy cow, does the car look nice. And any pro place, that's how they do it.
Looks like
so they're 5/16 or 3/8. Yeah. And they'll come off in a few seconds, and then the ones on the side,
probably the same. Looks like inside the wheel.
You can see how grubby they are. Like obviously they've never been off. But when you clean that and put those back on, it's going to look amazing. It just knocks 50 years off the age of the car. That's why you want to take the emblems off. It's pretty hard to make that look good.
Yeah, I don't like touching these things though.
Oh, I don't disagree, but when you put those back on in a couple hours, you're going to be like, okay, now I know why we have to do that. Because look at all that over hazy bullshit. Yeah. When you see white polish jammed around all the, it doesn't make the car look better, right?
Yeah.
And that's one of the reasons I'm doing this, is I hate seeing it jammed around all the molding. And it's usually just years of grandpa waxing her in the driveway. You can see there's some here, but just assume it's not us. And most of it's pretty good. Okay, there's the before and the after. That's just lovely. Well, now that we've seen how that's going to go, we're going to finish up the rest of the car. So that's a rubbing compound with a light polish and then a wax over top. So better?
so much better. It's amazing.
Just one more thing on the things. Remember when you bought this car? I think, hey, I said, are we gonna polish this? We should polish this. It'll look so good. And he's like, yeah, nah.
That sounds like a day of my life.
Let's polish it so it looks really nice for the next owner.
What was I thinking, right?
It's some work though. I mean, it's more work than slapping on the biggest tires you can get in there. Really does get you down to that fresh paint, right?
You see that you need it because there's so much orange in your pad after you've done a pass.
Yeah.
It's just crusty on top or something.
Yeah, let's just oxidize. These were painted with lacquer. This was acrylic lacquer.
I don't know the difference.
So it does oxidize. But it also does polish. Wow, I can't wait to see it. It looks like those advertising paintings with the beautiful reflections. Oh, look. Do you need some polishing? What do you got on your nose? There. Now you're all done.
Am I supposed to be wiping in between stages, or that doesn't
yeah.
matter? I'm kind of slow at this compared to yourself.
Oh, whatever.
Do you want me to do something different or something
Nope,
I'm not doing?
you're doing whatever we're doing and getting it done. That's all I'm caring about. Well, that is an improvement. Let's unmask it, put the last coat of wax on it, and we'll have a quick look. It's running out of light. That's pretty hard to argue that doesn't look better, right? Oh, got a little bit of tape on the handles here yet.
I think when you're facing the one on the right came from this side, and the one on the left came from that side.
What size were they? 5/16 or 11 over 32?
5/16.
Okay. I cannot get over. I polish a lot of cars and I still am absolutely blown away at how bright that car is. How lovely that is.
It's rare that you get a chance to do paint that's 60 years old, though. Well, I guess not in your yard, but...
That's right. Not around here.
But we don't do that often.
Not to where we're actually trying, exactly. That's Myles' stuff. Just steal it.
Yeah, that's how we get everything.
That's how we have so much stuff.
What a lovely color. Even on here.
Yeah.
It lightens things up, eh?
Cool.
The camera does?
A little bit. It's backlit, so. What a difference, eh?
I love these teardrop holes so that letters stay properly aligned.
Oh.
Can't spin them.
Yeah, it's been such a good car. Go in and get all the polished crap out of the jacks. It's red and white on the outside and blue on the inside.
A gray, yeah, blue steering column, kind of a greenish gray dash. It's really cool colors, like they're steel, you know? It's like a gray blue seat.
Yeah.
But nothing exactly matches.
Yeah, it's kind of fun. Eat your heart out. NYC ammo or whatever they added. That guy. You seen that guy? That guy takes detailing cars pretty serious.
No.
That just, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't get to see the front yet. All right. Well, that's more like it, hey?
Nice.
Now you gotta do down here, see? Look at how,
Yeah, I couldn't get in there with the machine.
look at all this
That needs to stay in the fine steel wool.
fine steel wool.
Yeah.
Look at this, the fire chief is here, kids. 261 fans. Thanks, buddy. That was fun. Look at this thing. Woo! Just glows. Is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.